Hey there guys, thank you for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you are already a part of the Financial Spotlight family. If you're not a part of the family, we'd love to have you. Go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you can join us and see more videos just like these. So I wanted to start off by talking about my financial goals. So here on this channel, what we're trying to do is really equip people with financial literacy as much as possible in all facets, whether it be your income, your expenses, investments, retirement, anything like that, credit, everything that you need to do to make sure that you're everything that you need, the information you need to make sure that you're financially literate. I want to share that with you. So today I want to talk about getting a month ahead. So my husband and I were discussing making sure that we have enough funds set aside for the just in case. Now, a lot of people call this an emergency fund, but I'm not really trying to make it an emergency fund. An emergency fund is going to be separate. That's not going to be something that that we're going to get or go into if we fall behind in bills. So in order to set up something where you are making sure that you're ahead, I decided to try to calculate that and put together a plan so that we can move forward in setting this up to be a month ahead. So the first thing you need to do when you're trying to get a month ahead, you're going to find out what your monthly expenses are. So right now for us, our monthly expenses are a total of $4,400. I'm just gonna bump it up to $4,500. I like to round up a lot, and I like to write on pieces of paper. Hopefully you can see this, because I'm not sure if you can see it or not. I hope you can. Let me see. Let me move it back some. Okay, so that's our expenses. Then we know that every month when we pay this, we might have money left over. You guys have seen me put money into different envelopes, etc. But this money that we pay every month is going in there every month no matter what, right? Or is it paying for all of the expenses every month no matter what? I usually put about $1,000 into my variable expenses. And those are the things that might change, the little envelopes that I make. That's about how much I put into that myself. So what I want to do is figure out what we're going to do is figure out how we're going to get to this $4,500. And the time frame that I'm going to give myself is a year. I'm not going to make it any harder on myself than I need to, because like I said, everything can be adjusted, okay? So if I'm going to try to make this $4,500 in a year without interest or anything like that, I'm going to need to save $375 per month. And it's doable, right? Because I'm already putting aside this $1,000. If I just reduce that $1,000 by $375, I could really just be putting $625 into my variable expenses envelopes. However, I'm not doing this by myself. So if I say, okay, the $375 divided by 2, because it's my husband and I, so then that means that we only need to really save, I know my writing is horrible, but I'm sorry. We only need to save per person $187.50 per month per person. Now, I already told him that any extras that we get, so extras can be tax refunds if we get those, bonuses if we get those at work, say the sales from my businesses, side hustles or whatever, and then just extra money. Maybe we might save, like out of this $1,000, maybe I have $200 left over at the end of the month. I'm not just going to roll that over into the next month. What I'm going to do is take that money and put it into this bucket. And over the 12-month period, I should have the $4,500. And then from there, once I have the $4,500, it should be easier and easier and easier for me to save it. I shouldn't have to struggle to save up another $4,500. It also shouldn't take me 12 months to save another $4,500. But right now, that's a goal for myself that I want to set. So by next year this time, I should have the $4,500. Don't touch it. Put it into, I'm going to put my $4,500, my money rather, into a CD account. And I'm going to do a video soon about CD, certificates of deposit, and how they are beneficial for you. I'm going to actually put the money in there, and that means it'll be more liquid for us than if I were to put it into my IRA, or if I were, and then it would gain more interest if I were to put it into a regular savings account. So I know this is a quick little video. If you have any questions, you need me to explain anything, anything didn't quite resonate with you, let me know. I will definitely, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely go over what I just went over and explain it a little bit further. But in the end, what we're going to do, like I said, is we're going to come up with our full month of expenses. And that means we're going to be getting a month ahead. I'm going to do it over a 12-month period. We're going to be taking $375 and deposit it into a CD account. That's going to gain, I can do an annual CD account, or you can do it for a little bit long, but I'll explain that in another video. But we're going to put it into a CD account. It's going to gain interest, and it's also going to be liquid. Liquid meaning I can get to it quickly. And this is going to help us in the long run. So I hope this video helped you. If you liked what I'm talking about, go ahead and click the like button. Also, make sure you subscribe to be a part of the Financial Spotlight family. And as I said, if you have any questions or concerns, or you need me to explain anything any further, go ahead and leave that in the comments. I will definitely respond. And thank you for joining us. Bye.